Full one, drifting in, that's the... Cut away, that'll be four. Save your legs at Trent Bridge, you're not catching... Slightly wider on the crease, what a lovely shot that is.
Down the ground and over, Jason. Well, he plays that shot well. Likes to give himself a little bit of room, stepping legs side.
You allowed other players to go after it.
Well, that's fallen wide again, just set hit me. Oh, nearly. Really well played in the end. Deep square leg. Lovely shot.
Shot, lovely shot. Sweeper will have a chance, but no more. Yeah, the big shot had to come. Had to come. That's nailed. That is nailed. What a...
Pulled away leg side. Has he got all of it? Yes, just. Flashing blade.
Shot. Gave himself just a